In this video, I will show you how to use Windows Media Player in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Windows Media Player was used on older versions of Windows. It is still possible to use it on Windows 11. So to do this from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, you want to type Windows features, and you should see something come up underneath best match saying turn Windows features on or off. So give that a click, and what that's going to do is open up a window like this. In here, you want to look for media features. You can see we've got some different folders, but you want to look for media features and then click onto the little plus icon next to this. Now you should see the option for Windows Media Player Legacy, and what you want to do is tick that box and then click OK. What that's going to do is enable the Windows Media Player. So now when you come down to search and type Windows Media Player, it should now come up like this, Windows Media Player Legacy. So just click onto it and you can open it and use this to play audio on your PC. So that is how to use Windows Media Player in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.